It is the first day of shooting. There's an eclipse. Miraculously, we wrote a great scene for today, last night, when we're all exhausted. And they're actually totally delivering, and they're really exhausted. And tonight we're going to get a good night's sleep. So Tuesday is going to be awesome.
Are you good with the food like that? Another one? Yeah.
We're going to do a test run with the stunties.
Okay.
Get the camera work for it.
No,
that
you
last one's
probably
great.
have to make a decision.
How'd that feel?
Parallel, yes.
Like death. Yeah, it's tough. It feels alright, and then you finish. You're like, I'm lucky because I have you to like motivate me to catch up to you. Like, you know how they always say it's the hardest to lead a race?
Yeah.
So I was lucky because I have motivation to chase. I just feel like I'm chasing.
No, she is in front.
We'll do that again.
We'll do a close-up and then we'll get to that one.
Spin, down stick!
Ready and action!
Boat, and we all thought we're going to have a thing on like how to do it on the dry land, and then we'll do it in the water in the river later. But we didn't know there was a big old dam behind us, and they just released it, and then we would go around it.
Action!
Tired, thirsty. Maybe I should have turned back. Maybe it's a mistake. Tired, I gotta stop. Maybe I should have turned her in. Maybe I should have taken her back. I don't know. Crack!
Get in the boat, Viola! Get in the boat!
Todd, I can't swim. I can't
Okay. I don't know how much backing off when we're coming into this a horse can do.
No, this... I'm shooting it right here just as where the crane is. It's as though it happened there.
Okay. So a swipe that, because remember the horse's head.
Yeah.
So what kind of, I mean, one that I was...
Good.
Young Todd headed off somewhere?
Cut.
Holy shit, that was awesome.
Ready?
The law don't apply to boys. You're from Prentisstown, aren't you, Matthew?
I'm never from Prentisstown, Hildy. I'm from New Elizabeth.
New Elizabeth?
You best not stay in our town, Prentice boy, or you'll be sorry.
There'll be no threats from you, Matthew. Or anyone else. That's an order. Now get back to work.
Here we go.
That's what I would say.
So Tom, don't get thrown off. I'm going to be in the shot, like right to the last set till you grab it,
Yeah.
keeping the knife jiggling.
I mean, does it help you if I do it? Does it make it easier if I jiggle it, step out and step in?
Sure.
Because it's less, I mean,
Okay, sure.
it justifies it a bit more that it's me rather than you with the green gilet on.
Okay.
Here we go.
I'm glad to count you as an ally during this war, preacher. But should your callings cost me a single man, I'll see you hanged.
You hide your noise like a woman.
I consider that a compliment.
It's not. Weakness rots from within.
Thank you for the sermon.
Looky here. Shoveler Hewitt and his dog out here again begging for scraps. Better watch your noise. You cocky little son of a bitch. Oh, hey.
Mark it.
Now you're dead.
She's caged in, and suddenly now you come through the wall. Let's talk. Clop, clop, clop. He's up the hill. So now you've appeared before the wall. Now the scene plays out between the two of you.
Right.
Tom, you've chased from behind her.
Yeah.
So these horses will get here before you. So we're saying.
It's all right. You're safe now. I'm David Prentice. I'm the mayor here. Are you injured? You've never seen a real horse before, have you? It's okay. He's very gentle. We'll go slowly. I'm going to ride into town now. All right? Good. Don't you bite me again, you.
So.
What?